Yeah, this is Christopher Mosier from MyMediaHelper.com, and I'm doing another quick tip and doing another plugin today. This time we're going to do Akismet. Akismet? I don't even know how to pronounce it, to tell you the truth. Let's go to our, if you're on your dashboard in your WordPress, go to plugins, and it should be already a plugin that comes with your initial WordPress install. So you should already actually have that. And as you can see, here it is right here. If you don't have it, then you can just go add, new, and put in in your search, and presto, whammo, there it is. So it's a spam protection. If you're going to be using comments, then I highly recommend that you use it. It's 15 years old, actually, this month, believe it or not. So let's go back to installed programs, or installed plugins. It's early, folks. I haven't even had more than 2 sips of coffee, and here it is. So you want to go to, once you install it, if it's not already installed, and activate it if it's not already activated, and you can go to settings. And this should automatically pop up for you if you're activating it for the first time. So what you want to do is get yourself a key. As you can see, I already have my key in there. And so just go to, you can do a search for Akismet. I don't know how you pronounce it. And or use the link down in the description. All right, so you simply want to sign up. All right. And then you just put in, I got to think of one that I haven't used really. So I'll put in info at fanfilmfollies.com. You don't need all this stuff. Let's see, it should ask you if, let's change plans. Yeah, okay, so change plans, get personal. All right, you can donate if you want. Once you start making money, I would highly recommend donating. So, yeah, spell Folly.com. All right, this is for a non-commercial license, and like I said, once you make some money by the subscriptions, and I'm just going to put in HTTP www.fanfilmfollies.com. That's just another one of my sites. That's all. I don't think I ever signed up an account with that email. So just put in your information like that and continue. So it's going to send a code in your email, and so just open it up, grab that code, go back over here, just paste it in there. Wait a minute, that's not the code. Just go to 772-879. Okay, and then continue. And okay, just gives you little instructions on how to do it. Sign up is complete. Well, let's log in. Okay, I'll approve it. I just wanted to show you what it said if we didn't do that. Okay, so I'm logged in. And let's add a subscription. Go personal. Okay, you're now owner of a shiny new API key. All right, guys, I'm sorry, I haven't done this in a long time, so I had to think what I was doing. So grab your API key, and where the heck is it? Just throw it in there, save changes, and you instant presto changeo. You are now defended against spam. So I hope this was helpful, folks. If you did like this, please join, subscribe, or share down below. And please like, thumbs up if you liked it. And I'll catch you later. Okay, folks, take care. Bye-bye.